this, a little bit of that. Come alive at night, and let's see how you shake that back, vibrate. Let's see how you make that clap. Little bit of this, a little bit of that. Come alive at night, and let's see how you shake that back, vibrate. Let's see how you make that clap. Shake that back like a video vixen. Back out the rod like let's go fishing. Oh dash your missus, send her a cab and make her go missing. She wanna spend a day in her life with me and my guy, bring a friend for a friend. Short and sweet, she's 5'5" with the curly hair, she a 10 out of 10. The way that it's clapping, I'm fascinated. Matter of fact, I'm infatuated. Bend her back, she elastic.
As you can see, there's a beautiful view, and this is what we're going to be reviewing today, guys. We've got a beautiful Audi Q3, but guys, I'm sorry to say this has been one of the worst vehicles I've ever driven. It's absolutely terrible. I can't believe they made it two-wheel drive, I believe it is, but I definitely know it is. And yeah, this is just so terrible compared to the Audi A4 Avance I've done. Now, it does look like a beautiful car. It has all the features you would want, but I'm telling you guys, this is like one of the worst vehicles I've ever driven, like, and it's a brand new car. I can't believe it. I hope you all enjoy this episode. Obviously, you know, it's a bit of a holiday, so it's not going to be a crazy one, but it's going to be a good one. It's always a good one, Bam. Guys, stay tuned in. It's absolutely amazing. I'm loving the weather. I hope you are. Such good views here. Car's beautiful as well, but do you know what I mean? This is just, that's it. It's just a beautiful car. Anything else about this car is absolutely rubbish. I really hate the drive. I hate the driving position. Do you know what I mean? It's not the best of cars for me, I'll give you that. Like, but yeah, it's nice looking and it's got a great colour on it. So yeah. Okay guys, one of the worst things I hate about this car is the lane assist. I feel that's so stupid. Like, I hate, like, obviously I know it's meant to help you, but where it's left-hand drive and I'm not used to it, and it's kind of taking control of the steering wheel for me, and it doesn't do it in a good way as well, especially if you don't really know the roads or something. You might think you have a flat tire all the time. That's what I was thinking. But yeah, lane assist on this car is not my thing. The actual two-wheel drive on this big car doesn't really make sense. I think it's really slow, it's really sluggish. Yeah, it's not the one, you know. This car is definitely not the one for me. But the steering wheel is much more better than the Audi A4 Avance. I'll give it that. It's a good steering wheel, but apart from that, I do like the actual dash and the setup they have with it. The gearbox on it is not the one as well. That this gearbox is absolutely horrendous. I can't believe it. It's so slow to change gear and sluggish. Yeah, it's not the one, guys. But as I said, the car, it just looks good about that. That's about it. But obviously it does still have all the features like Apple Play and everything like that. It's still got all of that. It's got all the setup, but I still prefer that Audi A4 Avance. I don't know why. It's just maybe because this is two-wheel drive. You know, it's just not the one for me. It's just not. Let's see how you shake that back, vibrate. Let's see how you make that clap. Little bit of this, a little bit of that. Come alive at night, and let's see how you shake that back, vibrate. Let's see how you make that clap. Shake that back like a video vixen. Back out the rod like let's go fishing. Oh dash your missus, send her a cab and make her go missing. She wanna spend a day in her life with me and my guy, bring a friend for a friend. Short and sweet, she's 5'5". Okay, so we're now taking it out for its first spin. Absolutely amazing. Obviously it's super hot here. These roads are different from London, and driving a left-hand car is, I'm telling you, is not always the one. I'm telling you, on these roads especially, we've got so much hills here and stuff like that. I'm really not used to like these roads, and left-hand drive as well. So yeah, this car's been coping pretty well, but I think it's pretty sluggish, to be fair. I'm not gonna lie. It is a 2-litre turbo. It's producing 220, but it doesn't really feel like that, to be honest with you. It's still quite a decent motor though. The inside is really nice and cozy to be, obviously. I've not got no complaints about that. The only complaints is just obviously the steering wheel and that. It's so weird being on the wrong side of the road, I'm telling you. Especially here, there's so much hills and the road's so tight. So it really doesn't make it any better, to be fair. Okay guys, but you know what it is? I feel like this car is so easy to drive. It's such an easy drive. Like, there's really nothing to it. Like, even though it's a 4x4, it's not really as big. So it's not like the biggest 4x4. It's literally like the entry level, we could say. And I feel like it handles good on the road. Like, it's not amazing, don't get it twisted, it's not got great suspension, but I'm talking about daily use handling is great, especially in a country like this where you're driving at such heights, if you get what I mean. It's so high, driving on the hills and the mountains. So yeah, I feel like it's done a good job. The thing I find really annoying is the driving assist in the lane changing. I know people like that new stuff, but it kind of freaks me out when I'm driving in a new country and like the car's trying to take control of where I'm going. So I'd rather not, basically, with that one there. But apart from that, yeah, it's such a nice car. It's not too bad at all. Obviously, as a part of it, I said it's like a bit sluggish, but inside seating position is great. I feel high up, I feel comfortable. The stop and start system on it is great as well. It's not too bad, you know, sometimes it's got such a long delay. But yeah, I feel like Audi's done a good job with this one. They've done a great job with this one. I'm really loving it. Okay. It does feel super smooth for these hills, but I'm not gonna lie, it could handle the roads better. These roundabouts are so confusing. I hate roundabouts in the UK, not let alone here where I'm basically going the wrong way through the roundabout. I don't really know where I'm going, obviously, so that's another, you know, shit thing to add to it. But apart from that, we're doing alright. We're doing alright here. Not too far. It does feel smooth, obviously. It's a brand new car, so it will be smooth. The views here are absolutely stunning when you're driving. It's amazing. Oof. It does sound so much nicer than it is. Like, it sounds like such a nice sounding car, but it really doesn't drive like that. It's really sluggish and slow, you know. I felt like maybe a 2.5 would have been more preferable in this kind of, because obviously a heavy sachet, ain't it? It's a big car. Maybe it's just a gearbox, who knows? But yeah.
I'm a dosser.
Oh dash your missus, send her a cab and make her go missing. She wanna spend a day in her life with me and my guy, bring a friend for a friend. Short and sweet, she's 5'5" with the curly hair, she a 10 out of 10. The way that it's clapping, I'm fascinated. Matter of fact, I'm infatuated. Bend her back, she elastic.
I feel like it's absolutely incredible, do you know what I'm saying, being out here, but left-hand drive is not my thing. I really don't like it. I kind of hate it, to be fair. This car has been really terrible. Two-wheel drive on a 4x4 looking car, it doesn't make any sense, and it's so slow and sluggish. I hate the lane assist. There's so many things I hate about this car, but it's one thing I do like about it. It looks absolutely amazing. Thanks for watching, guys. Stay tuned in and don't forget to like and subscribe. Let's do this.
Right, come alive at night, I'm on demon time. She don't trust, man, I got no reason to lie. Little bit of this, a little bit of that. Come alive at night, and let's see how you shake that back, vibrate. Let's see how you make that clap. Little bit of this, a little bit of that. Come alive at night, and let's see how you shake that back, vibrate. Let's see how you make that clap.
The way that it's clapping, I'm fascinated. Matter of fact, I'm infatuated. Bend her back, she elasticated. Throw the pump, I'm assassinated. I'm activated.
You got the vibe just right, come alive at night, I'm on demon time. She don't trust, man, I got no reason to lie. Four bad bees in a ride. Gotta squeeze them, it's a wee bit tight. Mostly female, the deceiving type. Take the peas and then go leave them guys. What you doing in the AM? You only ever holler in the evening times. I'm here for a good time, not a long time, can you keep it quiet? She wanna spend a day in her life with me and my guy, bring a friend for a friend.